Year to everyone. I hope you guys are having a lovely time, and I hope the year is actually giving you great opportunities in the market. Okay, that's it. Let's go straight to today's analysis. And of course, we'll be starting with FxVol 20. And in case you're not familiar with these assets, it's actually made available by WellTrade. You can share the description. I'll be dropping a link there for you to register an account with them. Of course, if you that link to register an account, gives you automatic access to all my trade. You can see all trade I take, and of course, I still choose to copy anyone you want to copy. And just I've always said it. I said, please make sure you change your lot size. Don't use same lot size as I'm using to avoid maybe the risk or this scheme model I can afford to lose. So please always try to change your own lot size, and remember you mustn't take all trade I do. Alright, that's it. Starting with the volume 20, and of course here is the H4. So you'll be marking out the recent structures. Okay. Alright, so here is the low that what is going on? Okay. I think it's back right now. Okay, so here is the recent low that led to this current bearish move we are seeing right now. And of course, here is the high the market is likely to respect that led to bearish all along. But then let's see what the market is doing. If you're likely to see, if you're seeing any major change of structures are giving us the market to go long this market, and we can only find that out from the 15-minute chart, is our end time frame. Definitely, we can definitely see some change in structure right here, but I think I see lots of momentum too at runs. But then let's see what we have here. And here is the level. So for now, on volume, FX volume, I don't think there's any opportunity of going long or short of this. So until the market probably maybe gets to this level, then I can think of maybe going long if it gets broken with a rejection. Otherwise, I just say just leave FX volume for the rest of the day. Or please, I'll definitely be dropping alerts to let you know. I think that's better. So if the market later does something I feel is nice or a structure that is a bit convincing with good conviction signs, then I'll definitely drop it here to let everyone get aware of that. So that's it. Let's go to break, and of course using break 600. And just like I said, there are several other assets. Just in case you don't want to trade the one I'm trading, once you open your account, you have access to several other assets. So you mustn't take same trade I take. You can choose to analyze other ones yourself and place your trades the way you desire it. Okay, so here is break 600, and of course, as usual, a mark recent high that led to the low we are having currently, then the low where the markets might get a little bit of respondents. Okay, so let's see on a normal ground what you'll be expecting. Just want the market to definitely break below this, retest this, and want to see a continuation of that. Or then if that does not happen, they want to see a break above the retesting of this, and they want to see continuation to the bear side. But then what happened inside this zone? Let's go to the end time frame. Remember that will not be for the scalping purposes, not really for full trade, because this, if you should place any trade inside this zone, this will be your target or this will be your target. So let's see what's happening right here. Okay, so right now there is no sign of either going long or going short. So that means the best option you can definitely have right now is to wait. Let me adjust this a little. So the best option you can have right now is to wait for a breakout above this or then a break below this. So that's it. Let's go to flip X1. So we're going to flip X1. Right? And of course, we're starting with the H4. Okay, here's the H4. So here's where we're starting from. And the market is really looking a bit scary. So just mark at our zone, so we remove the scale part of it. Remember, the matter scalability, just look for the zones you feel the market will definitely respect. Then either just wait for the market to get to that zone. It makes the market look a bit easier instead of just trying to scalp the market. Oh goodness. Okay, sorry. I didn't drop that. Alright, just drop it right now. So remember, since it's already on the bearish move, so you just want to see the market getting below this. Once the market getting below this, you're testing this, then us to have this as our first target. So I think that's what I just want to be waiting for. So I won't bother going to the 15-minute chart. I just wait for a quick below, then I can think of go back to my 15-minute chart to see what is happening, so I can just go short to this level. If that does not happen, just clip out of this market. If I see any good bullish move, that definitely is not going to be today. That's going to be maybe for tomorrow or maybe some other days. So that's going to be that on my flip X1. I'm currently still bearish, so I'm waiting for the market to get below this for me to think of entry. So that's it. Let's go to gain. So we're going to gain 400. Okay. So here is gain 400. Wow. Someone say wow. Okay. Man, gain 400 is not really, it's not given. But then just usually say it's mark out the zones that if you just want the market to take out, mark out the necessary zones. Okay. So actually this is H4, so mean that these are damaged for like some weeks now. So let's just, what just waiting for is breaking below above this, testing this on the long side, or then waiting for a breaking below this, testing this for the short side. So that's just that. So for the scalping, I'm not scalping gain 400, I'm scalping it at all. So this is what I'm expecting. Of course, finally, let's go to pin 400. All right. So here is the chart of pin 400, and of course, as usual, this is the H4. Yeah, this is H4. So I think that's currently a sign to place some trade here. But then remember, we can only confirm that. Okay. So now here is the bearish move. Some actually say you should go long on it, but then if you check this very well, you can only see that there's more like a loss in momentum before this bearish engulfing, and you can see the bullish candlestick fully formed above, still engulfing the bearish engulfing. All right, so let's just see what's happening. Let's go to the time frame. Let's see what all this is all about. So are we going to be bullish, or are we thinking of shorting? For me, I think I'll be on the short side. So what I'll be waiting for is waiting for the market to definitely give me a break below this level. And testing this for me to go short on this. I think, oh, what is it? Okay, let me start afresh. Okay, what I just said is a break below this, the testing it, and I think of going short on that. So I think this is what I'll be looking at for on my PainX 400, just this or nothing else. So I'm not looking for going long opportunity at all. I'm just waiting for the market to see what happens if it gets below this. If that does not happen, I just let it soon. And of course, tomorrow I'll do another analysis to let you know what to be doing for tomorrow. That said, I wish you guys are really having a lovely time, and I wish you're not risking more like I afford. So those that I said earlier, if today your first time come across my video, please you can do it, just hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this with your colleague that feel might need this information. And please give it a thumbs up if you find this informative. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.